class, welcome to the end of week 3, beginning of week 4. I'm almost done commenting on your rhetorical analysis rough drafts and will have those back to you soon. Before you begin to revise your paper, be sure to go and look at the comments I made on your draft by clicking on your paper on 3.3. There you will find comments in the text and on the right-hand side. You should also be working on your responses to the forums on the source evaluation and testing your classmates forum. Even if you didn't post an initial discussion post on these forums, go ahead and participate in the responses. This information is critical to writing strong papers in college, and I want to make sure you review it. Also be sure to read through the library search tips links. You'll learn a lot of valuable information on how to research using our library and its databases, which is where most of your sources for your final paper should come from. Keep in mind, even when using the databases, that they will still bring up newspaper and magazines unless you request otherwise in your search. Only academic journals are found in your search count as peer-reviewed sources. You will need at least 4 to 5 peer-reviewed sources for your argument research essay. To access the library's databases, go to the top of our Moodle page here and click on the library link. Then go over here to databases and periodical holdings. There are a lot of different databases you can choose from, but for this class you just need EBSCOhost. Click here on EBSCOhost. I like to just select all databases when I first begin my search, so select all and click Continue. This search window looks a little different from the one in the video, but the video on 3.7 picks up from here and shows you how to search and use the tools EBSCOhost provides. The video does suggest to place the articles you need in a folder, but honestly I prefer to email them to myself or print them out, so I don't have to worry about finding the article again later. If you have any questions as you research, please let me know. I love doing research and I'm happy to help you if you have problems. On Sunday, you have an academic integrity assignment due. You're going to watch a short video and then work through a tutorial on plagiarism. Pay careful attention to this information. Academic integrity is taken very seriously at SNU. If you plagiarize, even unintentionally, on the final draft, I must turn it over to the academic dean. This assignment will teach you what plagiarism is and give you the tools you need to avoid it. You can also double-check your drafts for plagiarism pertaining to direct quotes by viewing your originality report on Turnitin. If you're not sure how to do that, look under the Student Resources link over here and scroll down to Week 4. As you work to avoid plagiarism and cite your information correctly, remember that you need in-text and works-cited citations for every summary, paraphrase, word-for-word quote, and idea used from an outside source. If you ever have any questions about citing in text or on your works cited page, please don't hesitate to ask me. I would much rather help you avoid plagiarism on your draft instead of catching it on your final essay. Now as we look into Week 4, the final draft of your rhetorical analysis is due on Tuesday. After you look over my comments and revise, you might consider taking your paper to an online tutor to clean up any final editing or proofreading mistakes. On Tuesday, we also have a check-in forum for you to let me know how you're doing in and out of this class. Then we have our readings for Week 4 and begin to work in earnest on our research argument papers. The instructions for this paper are linked for you under 4.3, so be sure to begin working there. Once you've read through the instructions, you'll need to participate in the possible topic forum. There I want you to post 3 possible topics and give one another feedback on those topics. Once you've decided on your topic, you'll need to begin your research. On 4.5, I want you to upload 3 source summaries for me. You'll click on the source summary form here. You may need to log in with your SNU email to sign in, and then you'll go to File and make a copy to save 3 of them to your Google Drive. You may be wondering if this kind of detail about your sources is necessary. I promise you it is. As I pointed out in the ABCs of Research video under Additional Resources in Week 4, I still write down this type of information when I do my own research. Though I need your first 3 sources in this format, feel free to switch to note cards, PowerPoint slides, or whatever method works best for you once these are complete. Then you'll move on to practicing for your annotated bibliography, which, as you can see on my cards in the second video, is something I still do after I read through a source. This saves you time, so you can look through your annotations and know exactly where the information you need might be, instead of having to read through the sources themselves. Then, as always, you'll need to work on your journal for the end of the week. If you have any questions as you work through this week, please feel free to email me. I am here to help you succeed in this class and want to see you do well. I look forward to reading your essays on Wednesday. As you work on them, don't forget the online tutors are available for you 24/7 if you need them, as well as tutors on campus in the Writing Center. Have a great weekend.